October the 8th, 2024. I'm here at 12340 Farmstead, just doing a quick final inspection of this foundation before we pour it. Got it scheduled to pour tomorrow as long as we pass our engineer's inspection today. And it's just taking a quick look around. This is where the foundation crew has installed the forms that become the curb for the shower. We drop our showers a little bit from the finished floor so that if there is ever a leak in the shower pan, it doesn't leak out on the finished floor. This happens to be a shower at the back of the house that is also supposed to have a curb around it, and they missed this one. So we've already notified them to come out and get that installed. It is not a code issue. We will not fail our inspection because of it, but it's a best practice, so we need to get that done. Here's a shot of the master shower, and as you can see from this one, there's also a curb around that one. So we need to have curbs around all the showers if we plan on dropping the shower floors, which we do. And so that's just another quick update on this project.